Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best kayak motor kit is probably one of the most transformative accessories you can add to your kayak, instantly upgrading your paddling adventures from tranquil glides to efficient explorations across lakes and rivers. This video will dive deep into the top kayak motor kits available, helping you find the perfect fit for your kayaking style and needs, covering factors such as power, portability, ease of installation, and overall performance to make your decision easier. Number 5. INTEX 68624 EP Motor Mount. Attaching it is a breeze. It's designed for quick and easy installation on your inflatable boat, so you can get out on the water faster. It's built to last. The heavy-duty composite mount and aluminum support arms ensure it can handle motors up to 3.0 HP. It fits a variety of INTEX inflatable boats. Check the list to see if yours is compatible. Get it set up in minutes. Simply attach it to your boat's rear mount fittings and you're ready to go. Enjoy smooth rides. It's designed to provide a stable platform for your motor, allowing for effortless cruising. Storage is simple. It disassembles quickly for easy storage, saving you space when you're not on the water. Your safety is our priority. It's built to the highest safety standards, providing you with peace of mind. Need help? Our customer service team is here for you. Contact us with any questions you may have. What we like. It assembles in minutes and is built to last with heavy-duty materials. If you need a reliable and easy-to-store option for your inflatable boat, this is the one for you. Its quick setup and disassembly make it perfect for those who value convenience and easy storage. What people say. Looks sturdy, very easy to put together, it's almost foolproof, didn't even need the directions, just look at the picture on the box. We used this on the INTEX Excursion 5. It worked really well and supported the trolling motor. It was easy to assemble and install on the raft. Very easy to install, no need any tools. Number 4. Kayak Series Trolling Motor. This trolling motor is built for serious fishing. It's powerful, reliable, and ready to take on any saltwater adventure. Its durable fiberglass shaft allows for precise depth adjustment, ensuring optimal performance in various water conditions. You'll enjoy years of dependable use. With 8 speeds, 5 forward and 3 reverse, and a telescoping handle, you're in complete command. Effortlessly navigate any waterway. It's designed to withstand the harshest marine environments. The corrosion-resistant materials ensure it's ready for years of saltwater use. The extra-long battery cables provide flexible placement options for ideal weight distribution in your kayak. Maximize your kayak's performance and stability. Never worry about running out of power. The LED indicator keeps you informed of your battery level at a glance. What we like. Enjoy the versatility of multiple speeds and the durability for saltwater use. If you are looking for precise control and reliable performance in saltwater environments, this is your best bet. The long cables allow for flexible battery placement for optimal weight distribution. What people say. Powered by a 114 amp-hour Everstart Max Deep Cycle Marine battery, this Newport vessel's trolling motor provides plenty of power, doesn't consume a lot of watts, and control for hours on the slower speed settings 1 to 3. It's incredibly quiet and very fast. For the first test run I was fishing for 5 hours, covering about 4 miles with the last 2 of the miles being at full speed returning to the launch. I have 2 small 35Ah batteries in parallel and had 70% charge left when I got home and put the batteries on a charger, so this motor is really light on the juice. The Kayak series has a shorter shaft, meaning you are more comfortable using the motor as the control arm is not so high up. Number 3. Watersnake T24 ASP Trolling Motor. It weighs only 4.85 pounds, making it incredibly easy to transport. This lightweight design doesn't compromise on power or performance, it's perfect for any adventure. It's compatible with kayaks, canoes, small dinghies, and inflatable boats. Take it anywhere your water adventures led you. With its adjustable mount and anti-impact clip system, attaching it is a breeze. Get on the water quickly and easily. The hand tiller with an extendable handle provides easy steering. High and low speeds, forward and reverse, are all at your fingertips. Its two-blade weedless propeller ensures smooth operation, even in shallow waters. Enjoy worry-free fishing and paddling. This electric motor delivers 24 pounds of thrust. It's got the power you need to navigate various water conditions. Designed by anglers, for anglers. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, our distributor will make things right. What we like. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for portability. If you prioritize portability and ease of use for various watercraft, this is the ideal choice. The simple design and easy-to-steer tiller make it user-friendly for all skill levels. What people say. The ease of installation only took me about 6 hours, only because I wanted to do it right and it was hot out, so I took a lot of breaks. The power is fantastic, very quiet noise level, and the speed is pretty fast considering its 24 speed. It mounts great on my 12-foot Perception Pescadora, and will push the boat along on top end at 4.5 miles per hour. The motor works great, is a good value, light, and mounting the bracket was easy. A few wing nuts and making sure it was adjusted tightly is all it needed. The bracket looks good, has a small footprint, and I don't have an ugly slab of wood and plastic pipe sticking out. Number 2. Kayak Transom Motor Mount. This mount is perfect for your kayak adventures, providing a secure and reliable way to attach your trolling motor. It's compatible with both freshwater and saltwater environments. It features a heavy-gauge aluminum construction with a durable powder-coated finish for lasting performance. The aluminum locking lip ensures a secure connection to your kayak. It's designed to handle motors up to 3 horsepower and fits the widely used 3.75 by 4.75 bolt pattern. It's suitable for use in both freshwater and saltwater. The polymer transom plates are removable and replaceable, ensuring long-term use and easy maintenance. This makes it a smart investment for your kayak. It's simple to install and use, allowing you to quickly and easily attach your trolling motor to your kayak. Get ready for smooth and efficient kayaking. It's made from high-quality materials and built to withstand the rigors of use in various conditions. Enjoy years of reliable performance with this mount. What we like. This mount is robust and can handle powerful motors for various water conditions. If you need a durable and versatile mount for your high-powered motor in both freshwater and saltwater, then this is a great option. Its heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting performance. What people say. Solid heavy aluminum. For bolting holes, and this thing is tough. The quality of this motor mount is absolutely unmatched. It is a thing of beauty. The welds are amazing. The rest of the piece is just as amazing, the outside corners, inside corners, the Delrin plates, the finish, every part perfect. This mount is very solid and well built and great looking. Number 1. Newport NK180 Kayak Motor. Experience effortless kayaking with our powerful yet quiet trolling motor. It's perfect for fishing and exploring, giving you the extra push you need. This 1.8 horsepower equivalent motor provides smooth, efficient power. Enjoy quiet operation and speeds up to 5 knots, without noisy gears. It's designed for easy installation on power pole ready kayaks and easily adaptable to others. Secure it quickly and get on the water. It works with various 24V, 29V batteries, including lead acid and lithium deep cycle. Choose the battery that best suits your needs and setup. The kit comes with everything for installation and use, including the motor, mount, cables, and more. Get started right away. Backed by our 2-year warranty and exceptional customer service, it's a reliable choice. We've been serving the marine industry since 2009. What we like. Get efficient and quiet power delivery with this high-performance motor. If you value power and quiet operation in your kayak, this is a top choice. Its compatibility with various battery types and the included comprehensive kit make it a versatile option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.